for many of us who are here, who know you at a very, very personal level, members of your family who are here, there are many things we could say. But I want, first of all, on my own behalf and on behalf of our family, for many people who do not know, Ken and I grew up in the same village. We have been together virtually all the days of our lives. And we have so much in common. We have gone through the experiences of this life together. So Ken, on behalf of my family, our extended family, some of the members of my family who are at your home in Kisii and so on, nataka kusema pole. And also, those of us who are a bit close and who interact with you, we know some things that we do not need to say here. We know the journey you have gone through with this illness of your dear wife. And Ken, I say this with tremendous admiration. Many people don't know over the last 2-3 years what you've had to deal with in your family. You lost a brother, and I know that your mom has been unwell. To be honest with you, every time we spoke about your wife's illness, to many of us it's been just a very difficult matter even to pray about. But as we spoke the other day, the Lord has been gracious, has strengthened you and carried you and your brothers through this experience. And we continue to pray that the Lord continues to hold you by his mighty right hand.